Good morning, children. This is R. Sujna. How are you? Yesterday we discussed about one story, right? Tenali Rama and the thieves. Have you read the paragraphs yesterday at home? Okay, today we are going to learn the second part of the lesson, Tenali Rama and the thieves. It is very interesting. Okay, all of you see this picture. Here, who are they? The two thieves. They are pulling the water from the well. Okay, so let's move on to the next paragraph. All of you see the textbook carefully and listen to my pronunciation. The thieves heard the conversation and became very happy. They waited patiently for Tenali Rama and his wife to put the box into the well. Tenali Rama and his wife packed the box with stones. They lifted the heavy box with great difficulty and dropped it into the well. Yesterday, Tenali Rama, he had an idea, na? So what he told his wife, he told his wife to keep all the valuable things in the box and let us throw it into the well. So when they heard their conversation, na, they felt very happy and they waited for Tenali Rama to put the box into the well. So Tenali Rama and his wife packed the box with stones, not with the valuable things. So they lifted the heavy box with great difficulty and dropped into the well. Okay, next move on to the next paragraph. Then the couple entered the house and slept. After some time, the thieves rushed to the well. Throughout the night, they drew water from the well to get the treasure box out. Okay, the couple, what they did, they had thrown the box into the well and they went into the home and they slept very happily. After some time, the thieves rushed. All of you underline the word rushed. What is the meaning of rushed? Rushed means going in hurry. Okay, and in order to bring out the box, what they have to do, they have to pull the draw the water from the well. So they have drawn the water throughout the night to get the treasure box out. Okay, all of you see the picture. What these thieves are doing, they had taken the box out of the well, and when they opened the box, what did they find in the box? Is it the treasure or valuable things? No, they just found stones. They are extremely shocked to see the stones. Okay, finally they got the box. They were extremely shocked and angry to see just some stones in it. They understood that it was Tenali Rama's plan to make them fools. Then Tenali Rama came to the thieves and said, "Thank you, friends, for watering my plants all through the night." When the thieves opened the box, they were extremely shocked and they became very angry because they expected something, but they found another thing. They saw stones in the box and they understood that Tenali Rama had made them fools. Finally, Tenali Rama came out of the home and he went to the thieves and said, "Thank you, my friends, for watering my plants all through the night." Because they have thrown the water out of the well, so that water, what happened, it went to all the trees in the backyard of the house. So the mango garden is full of water. So Tenali Rama, he does not need to water the plants that day. I want to reward both of you in the king's palace for the services you have rendered to me. Here he wanted to say thank you, and he wanted to take them to the king's palace for the services they have rendered to him. Means they offered a free service of watering the plants. The thieves got scared and ran away from there. So they got frightened and they just ran away from that place. So my dear children, when you come across any this kind of situation or danger, don't get scared. Apply your logic, use your brain, intelligently escape from that situation. So don't get scared when you come across that kind of situations. So be wise, think like Tenali Rama. So do you love this story? So it's very lovely, na? I enjoyed it. So you can tell the story to your brothers and sisters and friends at home also. Okay, na? Okay. Okay, ma, let's move on to the glossary part. All of you say with me, careful, with great attention. Careful, with great attention. Valuable, worth a lot of money. Valuable, worth a lot of money. Rushed, done in a hurry. Rushed, done in a hurry. Escape, to get free something.